welcome to another episode of Sofia, Faris,
and Farhan's Garage.
Our tools, our rules. So, in the last video, we took off the bumper in the back and added a new and shiny one. So we're gonna do the same for this one over here. So yeah.
This is gonna be a pretty cool episode because Sofia is gonna actually do it and take the bumper off with me, and then she's gonna put the new bumper on. So let's get started.
Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna use this tool from last time, and it's called a wrench. And like we did on the other on the back bumper, we're gonna loosen these bolts and take them out.
Okay, go ahead, get started.
Loosening?
I think so. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Okay. Okay, stop. Okay, let's see if it's coming off.
Is it?
I think so, yeah. You want to take it off with your hand? Right here. Look. Got it.
Here.
And now we're going to take the top one off.
Mm-hmm.
So let's see, it's a little stuck in there.
This one's dirty.
Mm-hmm. And we're going to turn this thing out real quick. Push it out. Cool. There we go. All right, so this is the last bolt. I had to go inside and get a bigger, stronger wrench.
Yeah, this is
That one
smaller
wasn't
and
as
it won't.
strong,
Yeah, and it wasn't.
we're
It wasn't
having a hard
fitting.
time getting this off. So now you guys are gonna start seeing this bumper
Yep.
pop off here in a second, and I can show you guys how that works. Here we go, and here's the old bumper, and we are gonna replace that with a new one. Our new bumper doesn't have these bumper guards.
Yeah.
We didn't order new ones, so we're not gonna put the bumper guards back on.
And our new
we're gonna
bumper
put
is
these
gonna
later.
be way more shinier.
Yeah, let's see. We're gonna unbox it.
Yeah.
Now, you wanna go and start looking at that bumper real quick?
Yeah, can you get the knife?
Start
This is much heavier.
a little bit lighter. This looks like it's a good quality bumper, so we're gonna be very careful in how we unwrap it. And we're gonna save this wrapping. We're gonna use that for the old bumper because we're gonna get that re-chromed later at some point. So now we've got this new bumper. It looks like it was a little wet when it came out, so we're gonna put it on the car and then we're gonna clean everything at the end. So let's go ahead and put it in down, and we're gonna go and grab it, and we're gonna start putting this and bolting this back on the
other
car.
one was shinier, not like wet. Right?
Alright.
Okay, so we got the new bumper and we got some new bolts.
And we're gonna line it up real quick. Make sure that we don't hit any lined up. See, you gotta line up the corner like that. Then you gotta line up the second hole. So hold it right there.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna go in from this side. I got this in.
Yay!
Good job. Nice. Looking good. I gotta get it under the bracket.
There.
And now this is looking good. Now, Sofia, if you can hold this like this, I'm gonna start a couple of bolts to make sure that I can line this up. Yeah, just hold it like this, okay? So we're gonna start with a few bolts. Sofia, hold it for me. Okay. Lean it up against this thing. All right, good job. And here's the new bolts. So we're gonna start one in the corner right here. And sometimes on these bumpers, you know, they're not gonna line up perfectly at first, and you have to like mess around
The big one or the small
with them little. So we're gonna do this one. Then I have another bolt. Just hold it in place. One more brand new bolt, and we got this corner, and it's in.
He doesn't need those yet.
This is lining up pretty
First,
good.
we don't need those yet. He's gonna do them on the bottom of these bolts.
Yep, we're gonna put those on in a second. Thank you, my awesome assistant. And we got this bolt in. Pretty cool. Lining up.
Can I try the other one?
Looking good. Yep, and you can put that last bolt in. So we're gonna wipe this bumper down at the end. So push it in. Good job.
That's good.
All right, you wanna help us with the? You got the tools in your hand.
Oh, you want to use the wrench? Do you need?
Let's find out.
We need a small one, I think.
Grab a bolt first. Okay, you don't want to hit the car.
Okay.
So let's be on that side. Okay.
So, think you're gonna have to use the small one?
Sure. We're gonna start with this bolt. I'm gonna finger tighten it first.
I'm gonna rub
So that it lines up.
I don't want to get in the way.
Thank you. So this one's on.
Okay, so my dad finally put on the bumper. Now we're going to clean it with this polish, and we're gonna leave it on, and then we're gonna wipe it to make it look shiny and new. So let's get started.
I'm gonna put a little bit on there. Now
That
go
looks
ahead
like a
and-
bee.
It does.
I
It is a
rub
bee.
it on it.
Okay, go ahead and start rubbing. Yep, do it nice and even. Show you how to do it. Yep, good job. Do it together. We're gonna put it all over the bumper. This way, this way.
We already got enough.
And let's rub it in. Okay, so now you can rub it in on the bottom too. Go ahead. Go all the way around. We're gonna leave it on for a few minutes and then we're gonna wipe it with a microfiber towel so that it's nice and shiny and clean. Alright, I think that's good. Perfect, thank you.
Now,
I'm gonna go grab a towel.
yeah,
It's here.
and boy.
Guy in.
It's been a few minutes and now we're ready to rub it.
Start here in the corner.
Which side?
Do this side. Right here. And let's like this. Let's rub it.
Oh,
Rub it.
it
See the
looks
difference?
shiny. Yeah, see the difference.
Whoa, that looks pretty good.
Yeah, that looks like the other one in the
Good
back.
job. We did a good job on this thing.
Mm-hmm.
You don't want this to dry, obviously, so we did it really quickly because it's sunny outside. And we are getting the polish off. It's looking really, really good.
So when it's really sunny like this, you don't want to wait.
Because it won't it'll dry up and it won't come off as
And it'll get messed up.
And we don't want that. So now we have a really nice
And shiny
and
new
shiny,
bumper.
yeah, original looking bumper. This is what we were gonna do and we wanted. So I think the car front to back looks pretty good. Good job. You got it done.
Yeah, it looks just like the back. Right here. Like we did in the last video. But it wasn't as dirty as that one. We didn't have to clean it.
All right, I think we're done.
Yeah. Bye. See you next time. If you have any questions, write down in the comments below and make sure you like and subscribe. See you next time.